The TVB-Brain image processing pipeline extracts structural and functional connectomes from raw MRI data to personalized brain models. The data that is outputted by the pipeline is ready to use in the virtual brain. You can conveniently operate the pipeline from eBrains Collaboratory. The computationally heavy work is done using a backend of supercomputers. The TVB pipeline both inputs and outputs data that complies to the BID standard, Brain Imaging Data Structure. You can find MRI data to feed into the pipeline using the eBrains knowledge graph. All software and datasets in the virtual brain ecosystem are registered and annotated in the knowledge graph to make them easier to locate and use. Following a Jupyter Notebook, you can find out how to upload that data to the eBrains drive, how to process it on the supercomputer in the background, and finally, how to retrieve the results ready for use in a TVB simulation. The output from the pipeline is annotated according to the MINDS format using JSON LD schemas. This means once they are ingested into eBrains, they are findable and reusable via the eBrains knowledge graph. To run the processing pipelines on a supercomputer, you will need a dedicated HPP supercomputing account, which will allow you to use the Phoenix computing resources. You can apply for this from ICEI, Interactive Computing E-Infrastructure. Alternatively, you can also download and execute the pipeline containers on your local computer or on other high-performance computers.